In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 4, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to choose all apps and click on Alarm. Then click on Set Alarm over here to activate it and choose Alarm Time. Now you can type in an hour and choose Save at the top left corner. Following that, click on Alarm Ringtone and choose the best melody for you by clicking on it and choosing Save. Now you can also adjust the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right. And now, as you can see, when I click on the back button and choose Alarm again, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, just click on this little icon next to Set Alarm. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!